Here we have number 1. M is the midpoint of line segment AB. B is the midpoint of line segment MD. You're going to prove MD is equal to 2MB. We'll always start with the given here. The given is that M is the midpoint of AB and B is the midpoint of AD. Here, then they take it into the equation where we say line segment AM is equal to line segment MB, and likewise MB is congruent to MD. Okay, so those are the congruent parts. So that is just the definition of the midpoint. Then from there, they get to the equation part. That will be the definition of congruent segments. Okay, there's a difference between A and B. B, when you say the parts are congruent, that would be definition of midpoint. But when you set up the equation, that would be definition of congruent segments. Next, you add some segments together. MD is equal to MB plus BD. That is going to be with the segment addition postulate. Then it looks like something does get replaced, so that becomes substitution. And then you see MB plus MB, so you could also say that's another substitution, or you just simplify. All right, so some things that you should notice is here you have to, this would be the definition part. Then once you have that, this has to be first. Then you can get into the equation part. If you also want to notice the substitution that is occurring here, MD becomes MB. The reason why we know that is because of right here. MB is equal to MD. This has to be established first to make that substitution. And then the last one is a little bit weird, but these two do combine to make 2MB. And that is by substitution, or you can say just simplifying.